My name is Karen Knepp. I have known 𝗬𝗂 since I think 2016, 2017, somewhere there, when they were actually doing their first project. And I think the first project was in Rongai, if I'm not wrong. So that's the first project I saw. And then I was like, I had a lot of questions. I was, of course, when you want to invest, you're like, is this are these guys going to deliver? Will they give me what I'm looking for? Then I had to meet the directors. Of course, I met 𝗬𝗁𝗂 and the wife. And of course, I had many questions with him. And remember, even during those days when 𝗬𝗂 was new, there were some trainings that he used to give us about investing. I don't know whether he does them anymore, but we have come a long way with 𝗬𝗂, and I got to just feel comfortable, and because every question I asked, he seemed to have the right answers. I mean, he wasn't like struggling to answer. So I just felt comfortable and thought of investing with 𝗬𝗂. So 2016, 2017, yeah, is when I got my first unit. Why I chose 𝗬𝗂 is because after interacting with the directors, I felt secure and comfortable, because I am one person who can ask you so many questions just to make sure I'm doing the right thing. So when I felt comfortable, that's why I chose 𝗬𝗂. And actually, I had not done it with any other company, because I had had too many stories that people have been conned, blah. So nobody wants to lose their coin. So when 𝗬𝗂 came, and actually 𝗬𝗂 was introduced to me by a friend, but I was still skeptical about it. But this person told me, oh, my sister has gotten 10 units, because that time we were doing 90 degrees. So I felt, okay, that sounds interesting. Somebody wouldn't buy 10 units if they don't trust the place. So I felt a bit comfortable, but that didn't really give me the comfort I was looking for. I still had to look for the directors to hear it from their mouth. So that is the most reason, and I had never invested anywhere else. I mean, 𝗬𝗂 was the first, and I've stayed with 𝗬𝗂 because I've felt they keep their word, and what they say is what they do. The experience has been great. I mean, I can't complain. I have nothing actually to complain about, because when you start a project, it's clear it's going to take 2 years, and with those 2 years or 3 years, whatever they tell you, they keep to their word. So for me, it has been great. And then most times when they finish the projects, you get a tenant if you don't want to stay in the unit immediately. Like, rarely we have taken long before I've gotten a tenant. It's normally like immediate. So it's a seamless process that I have experienced personally. Very seamless. My name is Karen Knepp. It's time.